What if your entire automation system could respond instantly, just through one Ethernet connection? That's the power of the Uniconverge 8-digital input, 8-digital output Modbus TCP module. It reads 8 isolated digital inputs at 24 volts DC and controls 8 relay outputs rated 5 amps at 240 volts AC or 30 volts DC, giving you precise handling of sensors, relays, motors, alarms, and field devices. Data flows over Ethernet, RJ45, using Modbus TCP, so your PLCs, SCADA systems, and monitoring dashboards stay in sync in real time. Designed for industrial environments, it includes protection against reverse polarity, overvoltage, plus or minus 35 volts, DC, short circuits, TVS ESD surges, runs on 9 to 30 volts, DC, consumes less than 1 watt, and stays stable even during voltage fluctuations. The compact ABS enclosure supports DIN rail mounting, wall mounting, and stacked installation, making it easy to fit in any control panel. Performs reliably from 0 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius, with storage tolerance down to minus 10 degrees Celsius and up to 95% non-condensing humidity. Ideal for factory automation, energy and utility systems, smart buildings, parking automation, conveyor and logistics control, remote equipment monitoring. One module that handles your inputs, outputs, and communication, without extra wiring or additional converters. For reliable digital control over Ethernet, this module delivers power and simplicity in one unit. Learn more at Uniconverge Tech. And Uniconverge Technologies, built for modern automation.